Welcome to Eduzic. In this session, we will introduce you to Power Platform and its services. What is Power Platform? Power Platform is a low-code or no-code set of services for building business solutions. Let's understand this line. What are business solutions? So business solutions address various business requirements. So a business requirement can be a leave management, or business requirement can be a timesheet management. For example, in an organization where leave management is manual, employees must go to the managers for leave approval. If the manager approves, the employee can take leave. If not, the employee cannot. So the manager note down the approved leaves information manually in a book or an Excel sheet. So this process is entirely manual. So using Power Platform, we can provide a business solution that allows employees to submit leave requests, check their leave balance, and view the status of their submitted requests. And the manager receives an email for approve or reject. So leave management is an example of a business requirement. So using business solutions, we can address various business requirements. It can be a leave management, it can be a timesheet management, or it can be a project tasks management, etc. Let's discuss about services. What services we have in Power Platform? Power Apps is a service. Power Automate, Power BI, Power Pages, Power Virtual Agents. Let's discuss about each and every service. So Power App service is used for app development. So we can create apps using Power App service. For example, we can create a leave management application for an organization where employees can submit their leaves, check their leave balance, check the status of submitted leaves, etc. So it is used for app development. Next, Power Automate. Power Automate service is used for automating repetitive tasks. For example, we are working in a project, and every day at 5 p.m., we have to send the status of tasks to our manager, what are all completed and what not. Every day we are doing the same activity. So this can be automated using Power Automate. We can keep all the task related information in an Excel file. And we can create a Power Automate flow, which reads the data from the Excel file and sends an email automatically every day at 5 p.m. So manual task is automated. So we don't have to manually send an email. Power Automate takes care of sending an email to the manager every day at 5 p.m. So this is an example of Power Automate. And one more example is we're talking about a leave management application. So whenever an employee submits a leave request, so manager receives an email automatically asking for approve or reject. So this mail functionality is written using Power Automate. The next service is Power BI. Using Power BI service, we can create charts, dashboards, reports, etc. To give an example, we have an uh, e-commerce company. So we are selling products. For example, we are selling laptops. So we want to find out which are the months the sales are good and which are the months the sales are not good. So this information, we want to get it from the last 5 years. So if we want to do it manually, so we have to go through the entire 5 years data manually. We have to check one by one record. Using Power BI service, we can create a report. We can create a report which shows us which are the months the sales are good and which are the months the sales are not good. So Power BI service is used for creating charts, dashboards, reports, etc. Using Power Pages, we can create external facing websites. That means the people outside of your organization can access your website. Some of the examples for Power Pages websites are we can create a job application portal, or we can create a educational course related website, or an event registration website, etc. So using Power Pages, we can create websites. The next service is Power Virtual Agents. So Power Virtual Agents is now part of Copilot Studio. So Copilot Studio is a development platform where AI related applications are created. AI is nothing but artificial intelligence related applications. So what we can create using this service? So we can create chatbots. So chatbots are nothing but chat applications. So chatbots can engage with customers and employees in multiple languages across websites, mobile apps, Facebook, Microsoft Teams, etc. For example, in some of the websites, you can find a chat option where customers can interact with the support team. So whenever we send a message in the chat window, we'll be getting the responses automatically. So these messages are sent by the system, not by an actual user. Let's say if the system is not able to answer your question, then it redirects to a support agent. So this is an example of Power Virtual Agents. Using this service, we can create chatbots. Let's understand about low code. So PowerFX is the low code programming language used in Power Platform, which is similar to Excel functions. If you have an idea of Excel, you might have used sum function, subtract function, etc. So sum is used for adding the numbers, subtract is used for subtracting the numbers. So PowerFX is the low code programming language. So here we have discussed about business solutions. We have discussed about services. We have discussed about low code. So let's understand this line. Using the services, we can create business solutions by writing low code or without writing code. So this is about Power Platform. Thank you for joining the session. Stay tuned for our next technical video coming soon.